If a plus b plus c is 0, then what is 1 by a plus b? 1 by b plus c. See the question. What is a plus b? Here the question is equal to 1 by a plus b is nothing but minus c into b plus c is nothing but minus a. A plus c is minus b, b plus a is minus c. 1 by c plus a is minus b into c plus b is minus a. This is nothing but, okay, I want to take ABC as LCM. We get CA B, BC divided by BC we get A, divided by AB we get C. But what is A plus B plus C here? 0. So answer is 0 by ABC. Answer is 0 for this question. The answer is 0 for this question. Next question. If a plus b plus c is 0, then what is a square by a minus bc, b square by c minus ca, c square by c square minus ab is equal to how much? Here this is the given condition. If condition is given and options are in terms of numbers, you can put any values for a comma b comma c. So I want to put a plus b plus c is equal to 0. In the place of a 1, in the place of b minus 1, in the place of c put 0. Then what the equation becomes? A square 1 by 1 minus bc 0 plus b square 1 by b square 1 minus ca 0. C already 0. This is 0 minus 0 minus a into b minus 1. So this is 1 plus 1. So answer is 2 for this question. Answer is 2. Okay. Next question. If x power 6 minus 52x cube plus 1 is equal to 0, then what is x plus 1 by x? This is the question. So divide this equation by x cube, we get x cube minus 52 plus 1 by x cube is equal to 0. So x cube plus 1 by x cube is equal to 52. So I want to consider this x plus 1 by x as p. If x plus 1 by x is p, then what is x cube plus 1 by x cube? This is nothing but a p cube minus 3p, which is equal to p into p square minus 3. So I want to write this 52 as 4 into 13, where p is equal to 4, p square, 4 square, 16 minus 3 satisfied. So this 52 can be written as 4 into 13. So 4 into 4 square minus 3, 13. 13 into 4, 52. So what is p value? 4. So p is equal to 4. X plus 1 by x is equal to 4 is the answer for this question. The answer is 4. Okay? Yeah. Next question. Same as the previous one. If a plus b plus c is 0, then what is a square plus b square plus c square by a minus b whole square plus b minus c whole square plus c minus a whole square? Here, if a, b, c, a plus b plus c 0, I want to consider a as 1, b as minus 1 and c as 0. Then what it becomes? A is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 1 whole square plus c is equal to 0 by a minus b is 2, 2 square is 4, b minus c is 1, 1 plus c minus a is again minus 1 whole square is 1. This is 2 by 6. Answer is 1 by 3. Answer is 1 by 3. Okay, simple way of solving this question by consider if any condition a plus b plus c condition is given. Question in terms of variable, options in terms of number. You can put any numbers for a, b, c such that a plus b plus c is 0. Okay, so next question. If a plus b plus c is 6ab plus bc plus ca is equal to 1, then what is the value of this one? Here the question is bc into b plus c. B plus c is nothing but 6 minus a plus ca into c plus a. Ca into c plus a. C plus a is 6 minus b plus ab into a plus b. A plus b is 6 minus c. This is the question given. Sorry, plus 3ab's. This is the question. So this can be written as 6 common BC plus CA plus AB minus ABC minus ABC minus ABC minus 3ABC. Already 3ABC is given. These two gets cancelled. What is BC plus CA plus AB, which is equal to 1? So answer is 6 into 1 is equal to 6. Okay, use this condition a plus b plus c is 6 and 2 conditions are given. If 2 conditions are given, don't go for substitution please. Okay, thinking of substitution values are very difficult. Direct method is easy in this. If only one condition given, we can substitute easily. If 2 conditions are given, choosing a, b, c values are somewhat difficult please. Okay, yeah, go for the next question. So I want to solve this question differently. If a plus b plus c is equal to 2s, then what is s minus a whole square plus s minus b whole square plus s minus c whole square plus s square by a square plus b square plus c square? Actually, I want to use the geometry concept here. Generally, s is a semi-perimeter, 2s is nothing but perimeter. I want to consider a right angle triangle. Okay, this is 3, 4, consider this as 5. Consider this as A, 1 is A, this is B, okay, consider this as C. Then what is S? S is nothing but semi-perimeter, A plus B plus C by 2, 5 plus 4, 9, 9 plus 3, 12, 12 by 2 is equal to 6. Then I want to substitute here, then substitute in this case, s minus a, 6 minus 3, 3 square, 6 minus 4, 2 square, 6 minus 5, 1 square, plus 6 square by a square plus b square plus c square, 3 square plus 4 square plus 5 square. This is 9 plus 4 plus 1 plus 36 by already 3 square plus 4 square is equal to 5 square. 25 plus 25, 50. Numerator is 50, denominator is 50. So answer is 1. So answer is 1. Okay. If you put A as 3, B as 4, C as 5, the answer is 1. This is a standard question. If A plus B plus C is equal to 2s, then s minus a whole square plus s minus b whole square plus s minus c whole square plus s square by a square plus b square plus c square is always equal to 1. Okay. Next question. If xy plus yz plus zx is 0, then what is the value of this one? X square minus yz plus 1 by y square minus zx plus 1 by z square minus xy. See here, what is minus yz here? Minus yz is nothing but xy plus zx. Then I want to substitute here. So what is the first part? 1 by x square minus yz is nothing but xy plus zx. This is first part. This can be written as by taking x common, x plus y plus z. This is first part. Similarly, the second part can be written as 1 by y square minus zx. Minus zx is xy plus yz. So this is nothing but y square plus yz plus xy. By taking y common, we get x plus y plus z. Okay, 1 by. Similarly, the third one can be written as 1 by z into x plus y plus z. Okay, because these are symmetric form. Taking 1 by x plus y plus z common, we get 1 by x plus 1 by y plus 1 by z. This is equal to 1 by x plus y plus z into, take LCM as xyz, we get xy plus yz plus zx in the numerator. But xy plus yz plus zx is 0, so this part is 0, 0 by anything is 0. So answer is 0 for this question. Okay, so this value is equal to 0. Next question. X square minus 15 by x is 4. Then what is x into x plus 1 into x plus 2 into x plus 3? X into x plus 1 into x plus 2 into x plus 3. Here very important condition is x not equal to 3. Here x not equal to 3. See this condition, given equation x square minus 15 by x is equal to 4. If we put x is equal to 3, I want to write this equation as x cube minus 15 is equal to 4x. X cube minus 4x minus 15 is equal to 0. If you put x is equal to 3, this is satisfied. If you put x is equal to 3, this is nothing but 3 cube minus 4 into 3 minus 15, 27 minus 12, 15, 0 satisfied. So, if x is equal to 3 satisfied, already x is not equal to 3 given. So, I want to factorize this. Already know how to factorize this one. Already one factor is known. Here x is equal to 3 satisfied. So therefore, I want to write this as, already know how to factorize by synthetic division method. X cube coefficient is 1, x square coefficient is 0, x coefficient minus 4, minus 15, these are the coefficients. One factor is 3, I want to divide by 3. Okay. Cubic equation divided by linear factor, we get a second degree equation. 0, 1, 1 into 3, 3, 3, 3, 3 is 9. So add these two, we get 5, 5, 3 is 15. If we add, we get 0. That means x minus 3, x is equal to 3 means x minus 3 is a factor. What is the another factor? The another factor is nothing but x square plus 3x plus 5 is equal to 0. So therefore, actually the equation x cube minus 4x minus 15 can be written as x minus 3 into x square plus 3x plus 5. Okay, which is equal to 0. This is not 0, this is not 0. So therefore, this must be equal to 0. So therefore, x square plus 3x is equal to minus 5 from this equation, because this is 0, x square plus 3x is equal to minus 5. So I want to use this condition to solve the question. What is the question given? The question given is x into x plus 1 into x plus 2 into x plus 3. Multiply these two and these two. This is equal to x into x square plus 3x. Multiply these two, x square plus 3x plus 2. But already x square is equal to x square plus 3x is minus 5. So this is minus 5. This is minus 5 plus 2, which is equal to minus 3. Minus 3 into minus 5. So answer is 15. So answer is plus 15. This is the answer for this question. It's a very logical question. Here cubic equation is given. First we have to convert into product of two factors. Already x is not equal to 3 given. This is hint. If x is not equal to 3, already if you put x is equal to 3, this is satisfied. Means there is one more factor. If x not equal to, there is one more factor. So for that, first this is the equation x cube minus 5x 4x minus 15 is divided by x minus 3. We get another factor as x square plus 3x plus 5 is equal to 0. So if this is not equal to 0, therefore the second part x square plus 3x plus 5 must be 0. Means x square plus 3x is equal to minus 5. Consider this condition, product of these two into product of these two gives the answer for this question. Okay, very good question. Next question please. This is also a very good question. 27x power 6 plus 10x cube plus 1 is equal to 0. Here this is divided by, this equation is divided by x cube. We get 27x cube plus 10 plus 1 by x cube is equal to 0. So this can be written as 27x cube plus 1 by x cube is equal to minus 10. Then this can be written as 3x whole cube plus 1 by x cube is equal to minus 10. Okay. So this is in the form of a cube plus 1 by b cube is equal to minus 10. I want to consider 3x plus 1 by x is equal to p implies 3x plus 1 by x is equal to p implies taking cube on both sides. What we get? A plus b whole cube, a cube plus b cube plus 3 into a into b into a plus b is equal to p cube. Taking cube on both sides. A cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. Here these two gets cancelled and 3x plus 1 by x is this is nothing but p. This is p. So therefore this part is equal to p cube minus 3 into 3 9p. But what is this value? This value is already minus 10. So this is equal to minus 10. For what value of p, this is equal to minus 1. So put p is equal to minus 2. What we get? Sorry, plus 2. If p is equal to 2, 2 cube is equal to 8. Here 2 cube is equal to 8. And 9 into 2, 18. 8 minus 18 minus 10 satisfied. So therefore p is equal to 2. Therefore this can be written as 3x plus 1 by x is equal to 2. 3x square plus 1 is equal to 2x. 3x square minus 2x is equal to minus 1. The question is 3x square minus 2x is equal to minus 1. So answer is minus 1. Just multiply these two, 3x square minus 2x. 3x square minus 2x is equal to minus 1. Okay. So this is the way of solving this question. Next question. A, B, x, y are real numbers such that a square plus b square is 25, x square plus y square is 169, ax plus by is 65, k is ay minus bx. Here, how to solve this type of questions? Here, ax plus by is equal to 65, ay minus bx is equal to k. Then squaring and adding gives squaring and adding. This can be written as a square x square plus b square y square plus 2ab xy is equal to 65 square. Okay. A square y square plus b square x square minus 2ab xy is equal to k square. Add these two. If you add, this one and this one gets cancelled. A square into x square plus y square plus b square into x square plus y square is equal to k square plus 65 square. Already x square plus y square, take x square plus y square common, into a square plus b square is equal to k square plus 65 square is 4225, 5 square 25, 6 into next number, 7 6 7s are 42. Very shortcut. If 5 is there in units place, the squares are very easy. 65 square, 5 square 25, 6 next number 7, 6 7s are 42. Similarly, 75 square, 5 square, 25, 7, next number 8, 7 8s are 56. Okay, so it's a simple shortcut to get squares having units placed as 5, please. Here x square plus y square is 169. A square plus b square is 25 is equal to k square plus 4225. K square plus 4225. What is product of these two? 169 into 25. 25 nines. Or this can be written as, I want to write a simple way. 25 is nothing but 100 by 4. 16900 by 4 is equal to k square plus 4225. 4 6 16, 4 2s 25. Same. So k square is equal to 0. K is equal to 0. Multiplying by 25 or multiplied by 100 and divided by 4 is easy. So that's why I want to write this as 16900 by 4. Into 4. Okay, into 4 divided by 4. Okay, so answer for this question is k is equal to 0. Next one. Here two conditions are given. A plus b plus c is 6, a square plus b square plus c square is equal to 38. Don't choose the values for a comma b comma c, please. Okay. Then what is the value of a into b square plus c square plus b into c square plus a square plus c into a square plus b square plus 3abc? This is the question. Here the given condition is a square plus b square plus c square is equal to 38. So a into, in the place of b square plus c square, I want to write 38 minus a square plus b into c square plus a square is 38 minus b square plus c into a square plus b square is 38 minus c square plus 3abc. By taking 38 common, we get a plus b plus c minus a cube minus b cube minus c cube plus 3abc. So what is the formula for a cube? This can be written as 38 into a plus b plus c 6 minus of a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc. What is a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc? The formula is a plus b plus c into a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca. Here this is 38 into 6 minus a plus b plus c is 6 into a square plus b square plus c square, already known, 38 minus of what is ab plus bc plus c. For that I want to square this. A plus b plus c whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2 times ab plus bc plus ca. Okay, a plus b plus c is already 6. 6 square 36 is equal to 6 square 36 is equal to a square plus b square plus c square is 38 plus 2 times of ab plus bc plus ca. This is minus 2 by 2 is equal to ab plus bc plus ca. Okay, so therefore this is value is minus 1, this is 38 and this value is a minus 1, so it becomes a plus 1. 38 into 6 minus 6 into 39. So just what is the value of this one? 3 6 8s are 48, 6 3 is 18 plus 4 228 minus, not necessary actually, taking 6 common, 38 minus 39 is minus 1, so answer is minus 6. 6 into 39, 6 into 38. Okay, yeah, next question. If x is equal to a by b plus b by a, y is equal to b by c plus c by a. See the question in terms of variables, but options are given condition and questions are in terms of variable, but options in terms of numbers. Therefore, I want to go for substitution. The substitution is put a is equal to b is equal to c is equal to 1. Then what it becomes? So what is x? X is nothing but a by b plus b by a. 1 plus 1, 2. Similarly, y is equal to 2. Z is equal to 2. Then substitute in the question. In the question, if you substituted x, y, z, 2 into 2 into 2 minus 2 square minus 2 square minus 2 square. This is nothing but 8 minus 4 minus 4 minus 4. Okay, so answer is minus 4 for this question. Answer is minus 4. This is question number 172. Next one. BC plus CA plus AB is equal to ABC. Then what about B plus C by BC into A minus 1? See carefully here. BC into A, if it is multiplied, ABC minus BC in the denominator. See this one. The denominator is ABC minus BC. What is ABC minus BC from this condition? AB plus AC. So this is B plus C. So first part is nothing but B plus C by ABC minus BC is nothing but AC plus AB. This is equal to first part only, B plus C by taking A common, we get B plus C again. B plus C cancel, 1 by A. So the first part is 1 by A. Similarly, what is the second part? 1 by B. Third part, 1 by C. Same model. Okay, because they are in symmetry. So this can be written as ABC is LCM, AB plus BC plus CA in the numerator. But what is AB? Base AB plus BC plus CA, ABC. So therefore this is ABC, this is also ABC. ABC by ABC, answer is 1. The answer for this question is 1. This is the answer. Once again, Lisa, this is multiplied ABC minus BC. ABC minus BC can be written as CA plus AB. By taking A common, B plus C, B plus C common, the first part is 1 by A. Second part is 1 by B. Similarly, third part is 1 by C. By taking LCM as ABC, you get AB plus BC plus CA. But given condition is again ABC. ABC by ABC is 1. Okay. So this is about this question. Next one. This is also a very easy question. If ABC is equal to 1, then what is A plus 1 by AB plus A plus 1? B plus 1 by BC plus B plus 1, C plus 1 by CA plus C plus 1. Actually, the procedure is very lengthy. Actually, this is a 10th class question, a lengthy procedure, but substitution is very easy. I want to put ABC is equal to 1 means ABC is equal to 1. I want to take A is equal to 1, B is equal to 1, C is equal to 1. Then what the question becomes? So, A1, 1 plus 1 by 1 plus 1 plus 1, first part. Second part is also same. Third part is also same. So, this is 2 by 3 plus 2 by 3 plus 2 by 3. So, 6 by 3, which is equal to 2. So, answer for this question is 2. Just by taking A1, B1, C1, we get the answer. Okay. Next, how to get a direct method? If you are interested, I want to give the direct method also. Actually, not necessary. See here. So conversion total, it is based on the conversions, please. Based on conversions. So here ABC is given as ABC is given as 1. So what is AB? AB is equal to 1 by C. So what is first part? First part, A plus 1 by AB plus A plus 1. This is first part. This is nothing but A plus 1 by, in the place of AB, write 1 by C plus A plus 1. By taking LCM, this can be written as C into A plus 1 by 1 plus AC plus C. This is first part. See, the denominator of this first part is same as CA plus C plus 1. So I want to convert this denominator in the form of this, even this is also in the form of this. Second part, see the second part, B plus 1 by BC plus B plus 1. Okay. So first I want to multiply this by AB, multiplied by A into B plus 1 by ABC plus AB plus A. Here this can be written as A into B plus 1 by ABC is 1, 1 plus AB. AB is nothing but 1 by C plus A. Again, this can be written as AC into B plus 1 by C plus 1 plus AC. Here also this denominator is same as this one. This is 2. Okay. Already third part is already known. Third part is nothing but C plus 1 by CA plus C plus 1. This is third part. This is 3. Add 1, 2, 3. So the denominator is same for all. C plus 1 plus AC. Write the numerators. AC plus C. First numerator. AC plus C. Plus second numerator. ABC plus AC. Third numerator C plus 1. Then what it becomes? ABC is equal to 1. Okay. Then AC plus AC, 2 times AC, 1 plus 1, 1, 2 times C, so C by AC plus 1 plus C. These two gets cancelled, so answer is 2 for this question. So this is a lengthy procedure. Just by taking A is equal to 1, B is equal to 1, C is equal to 1, we get the answer easily. Okay, next question. Yeah. AB into A minus B, BC into B minus C, CA into C minus A is equal to, this is nothing but a polynomial, sorry, a condition given, and we have to write this as a factor. So here, see the options are nothing but factors. So how to get this one? There are different methods of getting the answer, either by substitution or checking factors. See, I want to consider A is equal to 1, B is equal to 2, C is equal to 3 in this case. So what is the question value? What about the option values? A, B, 2, A minus B minus 1 plus BC 6 into B minus C minus 1 plus CA is 3 into C minus A, 3 minus 1 is 2. Here this is 6 cancel, the value is minus 2. So the question value is minus 2, and which option having same minus 2 as the answer? So substitute different values carefully. We get, for example, I want to put in option B, A minus B. What is A minus B? minus 1 into b minus c minus 1 into c minus a. C minus a is 2. So this is nothing but plus 2 value, but here is minus 2, therefore this is not the answer. So in the place of a minus b, we have b minus a. What is b minus a? Plus 1. B minus c, yeah, minus 1 into 2 minus 2 satisfied. So answer is second option. Answer is a second option. If you put another in this a plus b, this is 3, but this is a product of 3, but here is minus 2. A plus b is not the answer. Similarly, b plus c is 5, so answer is a product of 5, but here the minus 2. So this is not the answer. This is not the answer. So this is the way of finding the answers. Or there is one more method of getting the answers. See here. To check whether a minus b is a factor or b minus a is a factor, b minus a is a factor, b is equal to a must satisfy this equation. B is equal to a must satisfy this equation. Similarly, if b minus c is a factor, okay, so if options are different, I want to go for this one. For example, if a minus b is a factor or b minus a is a factor, put b is equal to a, put b is equal to a in the given question. If you put b is equal to a, okay, a into a minus b, b is equal to a, this value is 0. In the place of b, put ac, okay, a minus c plus ac, c minus a. So this is equal to, this is already 0, this is ac common, a minus c plus c minus a, this is cancelled, so answer is 0. That means b is equal to a is a factor. B is equal, similarly, if you put b is equal to c, it is satisfied. So b is equal to c is a factor. If we put a c is equal to a, then it is also satisfied. So c is equal to a is a factor. Okay. So therefore, to check the factors, you have to substitute directly. So therefore, a is equal to b satisfied, b is equal to c satisfied, c is equal to a satisfied. So the options are either this or this. Again, to check this one, you have to substitute a, b, c as some more values, either 1, 1, 1 or 2, 2, 2, 2, 3, 4, like that. We can get the answers easily. If you put 1, 2, 3, again the same method, 1, 2, 3, this is not satisfied, only this is satisfied, so answer is this one. Okay, so this is about the questions based on the factorization. Okay, next question. See this question, solving this question is very difficult, but choosing option is very easy. X minus a square by b plus c, this is first part. See carefully in this, in the place of x, if you put a plus b plus c whole square minus a square by b plus c, then what we get? This is in the form of a square minus b square, a plus b into a minus b, a plus b plus c plus a into a plus b plus c minus a by b plus c. Here a cancel, b plus c cancel, you get a plus b plus c plus a means 2a plus b plus c. This is first part. Similarly, if you solve the second part, we get a plus 2b plus c. Third part, a plus b plus 2c. Then what is sum of these three? 4 times a plus b plus c. So satisfied. Therefore, x is nothing but a plus b plus c whole square. X is nothing but a plus b plus c whole square. Substitution gives the answer easily. Next question, please. Same model question. m minus a square by b square plus c square, m minus b square by c square plus a square, m minus c square by a square plus b square is 3. Here if m is a square plus b square plus c square, then m minus a square means b square by b square plus c square by b square plus c square. This is 1. Second part is 1, third part is 1, so satisfied. Okay, so m is equal to a square plus b square plus c square. Very simple question. Next question. If a square is equal to by plus cz, b square is equal to cz plus ax, c square is equal to ax plus by, then what is half of x by a plus x, y by b plus y plus z by c plus z? So I want to consider only the first one. A square is equal to by plus cz. Here a square plus ax, adding ax on both sides, ax plus by plus cz, adding ax on both sides, ax is added. Then what it becomes? Here this is nothing but a into a plus x is equal to ax plus by plus cz. Okay, then a by ax plus by plus cz is equal to 1 by a plus x. Then multiplied by x on both sides, multiplied by x on both sides. So ax by, this is nothing but x by a plus x. So x by a plus x is equal to this part, this one. So x by a plus x, see the question, this is nothing but half into x by a plus x is ax by ax plus by plus cz. Similarly, what is y by b plus y? Same as this one, adding by on both sides, therefore we get by by ax plus by plus cz. Similarly, third part is cz by ax plus by plus cz. So this is nothing but half, denominator is ax plus by plus cz, numerator is also ax plus by plus cz, they get cancelled. So answer is 1 by 2. Answer is 1 by 2. Okay.